back to my channel. For today's video, we will be going through my BoxyCharm. This is the one for the month of May. Let me bring down the volume on my phone. You might hear my son's little show going on in the back, so excuse me. But this month's box is Make Waves. So how cute is that? And then I'll post the price and what it is like somewhere here in the bottom like I did last time. So let's go through them. I'm really excited. I'm really tired though. I just got home from work, so I'm like pooped, but I'm very tired. Or, but I'm very excited. Tired. Same difference. Okay. So, first thing is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS/SLES free. All skin types approved. This puppy is really cute. Is $28. Look at that glow though. And on a box? Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's open it from like here. Hopefully I don't struggle like I struggled with my last one. Oh, and it's a big, decent sized thing. Is this opened already? Oh, it's opened already. Oops. It just smells like soap. No, nothing like out of the ordinary. Cool. On to the next. The next thing is Alummark. What is this? Oh, okay, we'll go on to the second one. This is the, let's go like this. Yeah, let's do this. The Tate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Your new Tate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glitter liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage, luster blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. I got it in the color Cupid, and this is $22. Ooh, look at this. Can you see this? Okay. Look at that. It smells like, it smells weird. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand because I suck swatching it on the back of my hand. Let me get a good swatch on here. Ooh. How many? 3 milliliters. Look at that. Ooh, that's really nice. Okay. Then this is the Steve Laurent lip gloss. 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisture and hydrate your lips with just 1 swipe. That's a lot. Just 1 swipe? Oh, and it's also $22. I think I got it. I got it in the color Posh lip gloss. I'm not of like a lip gloss kind of a girl. I'm super oily. That's gross. Ew. I'm not much of a lip gloss kind of a girl. I'm more of a lipstick type. Oh shit. Whoa. I mean, it has a little bit of sparkles. Okay, back to this bad boy, the gloss. Look at this. A little bit of sparkles, but it didn't budge. That is so freaking awesome. Imagine putting that on like a gray or a black lipstick and like dabbing it on. Girl, yes. Okay, back to this guy. Ooh. It smells like coconut. It smells like coconut cream. Like, oh shit. It smells like the coconut popcorn cream I got in my last BoxyCharm. Sorry, I'm eating mochi. It's my favorite. Whole Foods. If you have a Whole Foods near you, girl. Okay. $22. Let's go next to it. Ooh. It's like a tinted lip gloss, basically. Look at that. I wonder how it'll look on my lips. Fail. Okay, let's see. It's not like super. It's going, baby. This on top of a nude would be really cute. It looks a little too pale for my skin, like. I don't know. I think I'll have to play with it a little bit to kind of I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Then, then I have the Vintage, like this. Vintage by Jessica Lipskind. Cashmere Lip Pencil. Your new Vintage by Jessica Lipskind Cashmere Lip Pencil delivers natural looking definition with minimal effort and maximum precision. The velvety smooth formula glides onto lips without tugging or pulling. And this is $21. So that's good. The color with the cap. Let's uncap it. Ooh, that's pretty smooth, you know? Be cute. It feels really smooth. Like creamy. And then I'm excited. Oh shit. Okay. This is the Alummark Colorette Blush Trio. Get your blush on with your new Alummark Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed blush without the damage of the rays. And this is $22. So it says from left to right, it's going to be Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. And this guy is cruelty free. Ooh, it has a mirror. Oh shit. Okay. Haha. Okay. Toasted, Isla, and Secluded. Let's watch this. Can you guys see that? Ooh, that's very like pale. That one's Seclusion. This one's Isla. Or Isla, really. And then this one is Toasted. This one's more of a like a more glittery than the other ones. Let's go right here. That'd be good to try. It has like a good sized mirror too, you know? It's like very cool, very cool, very cool. Okay. So I actually got some pretty good things in this box. I'm super excited to try this. I've never tried anything Glam Glow. And so whenever I see like other YouTubers that have like sorry, I'm hungry. Have any Glam Glow products? I've always like wanted to try it. But this time I get to try it. But like always, thank you for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos. Me actually like try on the products that I get, like if it's a lip scrub or face scrub, or you know, kind of let your girl know, because I never know what to do. Like this one time I put this on, but I'm actually living for it. It's not like too sticky where you like if you but let me know what you guys like, what you guys think. If you want me to try on like the products, sometimes like I do get like eyeshadows and stuff, so that way you guys can see how the product works. I don't know. And then subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell whenever, so that way you guys can see whenever I post. I keep forgetting I have this on my hand. So then that way you guys can kind of stay updated to when I do post. And I'll leave the link to the BoxyCharm if you guys want to subscribe yourselves to BoxyCharm. It's only $21 a month. for like 5 to like 6 products, or 4 to 5 products, something like that. Like, let's just say 4 to 6 products, for $21 a month. And then every 3 months you get to upgrade to BoxyLhURVOIU, and it's like $58. So, and you get, I think, 6 to 10 beauty products, and it can range from lip products, eyeshadows, facial products, hair products sometimes, face masks. I think there was a BoxyLhURVOIU where you could get a hair straightener in it. So, you know, you can get a bunch of stuff. And just let me kind of know what you guys like, what you want to see. I'd really appreciate the feedback. It'd be nice. But I will see you in my next video. Toodaloo!